Welcome to my sourdough journey. Today we're making sourdough bagels. Let's get into the recipe. Okay, so now that we have our starter already established, the baking process to make anything with sourdough is going to be super simple. So here I added my starter and I'm going to come in with some warm water and I'm going to add a little bit of honey. We're going to mix that to combine, and once that is loosened up a bit, we're going to add our flour and some salt. Once the flour and salt is added, we're going to form a soft dough. We don't want the dough to be sticky this time. It's going to be just a normal dough. So once the dough is formed, we're going to go ahead and knead it for like 5 minutes or so, just so it comes together perfectly. Once the dough comes together, we're going to cover it and place it in a nice warm place and allow it to proof. And I'll tell you how long this takes to proof. It takes a little longer than regular yeast. So after about 5 hours, this is how the dough is looking. It has doubled in size. It's jiggly and has the little bubbles and everything. So I think it's ready. Now we're going to remove it from the bowl and we're going to cut it into 8 equal pieces. Next, we're going to go ahead and create some smooth little dough balls, and then I'll show you what's next. Now cover and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Here I've prepared a baking tray with some parchment paper, and we're going to go ahead and create the holes in the middle of the dough. So you want to just poke your fingers through and just spread it apart and create a hole in the middle. You want to make it as big as possible because once you place it on the tray, it's going to close up a bit. And you're going to carry on with this process until all the holes are formed. Next, we're going to cover it again and let it rise for about an hour or so. Next, I have some boiling water going and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of molasses. You can also add 2 tablespoons of honey here. This will help to make the exterior of the bagels nice and chewy and also help with the color. So we're going to add the bagels into the water and you want to cook them for 30 seconds per side, which will make it a total of 1 minute. And once they are done, you will remove them and carry on with the same process with the others. And if you want to add any toppings, this is the perfect time to do it. Once the bagels are out of the water, you're going to go ahead right away when they're still wet and tacky, and you're going to add your bagel seasoning, and I will add some cheese as well. So I'm going to do 2 with the everything bagel seasoning and 2 with some cheese. The others I will leave them plain. I forgot to mention, at this point you should have your oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and once you're done, you're going to place them immediately inside of the oven and let them cook for about 25 minutes or so. And this is how they should look once they are all done. They smell absolutely amazing, but you want to allow them to cool down completely before you dig in. And now for the good part, let's just cut into these and see what they look like on the inside. Absolutely perfect. Look at that. It is perfectly baked. And let me tell you, the taste was so delicious. Exactly like how a bagel should taste. And I just added some cream cheese there and chef kiss. So give this recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.